Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to repair or reset Windows 11 Start menu. First method is right-click Start button, click Terminal Admin. Run commands one by one. Start menu is restarted successfully. Second method is right-click Start button, click Terminal Admin. Copy third command from description and paste it. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.